Today we are not just ranking mini PCs. Seriously, we are breaking them down based on real performance, real value, and real usability. No fake hype, no random opinions, because every product in this list has been carefully checked for what it can actually do and what it cannot. And at the end of each one, you will see a clear rating so you know exactly which mini PC is worth your money and which one is not. Number 5. ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC. Starting with the most budget-friendly option on this list, the ACEMAGIC K1. This mini PC is built for users who just want a simple, clean computing experience without spending too much money. It runs on an AMD Ryzen R2544 processor, which is not designed for heavy performance, but it is optimized for basic daily tasks and stability. What it can do: this device performs well in everyday scenarios like smooth web browsing with multiple tabs open, Microsoft Office work like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, 4K video streaming from YouTube or Netflix, light multitasking like emails, documents, browsing together, dual or triple monitor productivity setups, quiet, low-power background operation. So for normal office or home usage, it feels very stable and responsive. What it cannot do, but there are clear limitations: not suitable for gaming, cannot handle video editing or rendering, not built for heavy creative workloads. Performance drops under sustained high usage. If you try to push it beyond basic tasks, you will immediately feel the limitation. Who should buy it? This is best for students, office workers, home media users, basic productivity setups. Rating: performance, stability, value, overall, 3.5 over 5. A solid entry-level mini PC for simple daily computing. Nothing more, nothing less. Number 4. Beelink Mini S12. Silent everyday work machine. Next up at number 4, we have the Beelink Mini S12. This one is built for efficiency and silence. Powered by Intel N95 processor, this is not about raw power. It's about smooth, stable, low-noise performance. What it can do: smooth office productivity tasks, online classes and Zoom meetings, 4K video streaming without lag, dual monitor setups for work, 24/7 low-power operation, fast boot and responsive system performance. This makes it perfect for long working hours without overheating or noise issues. What it cannot do: not suitable for gaming, not designed for video editing, weak GPU performance, not for heavy multitasking loads. Who should buy it? Remote workers, office professionals, students, people who want silent PCs. Performance, stability, value. Overall, 3.8 over 5. This is the kind of PC that you forget is even running, and that's the whole point. Number 3. GEEKOM A5. Now we're stepping into professional territory with the GEEKOM A5. Powered by AMD Ryzen 57430U, this is a major jump in performance compared to budget models. This machine is built for serious multitasking and professional workloads. What it can do: heavy multitasking without lag, Office plus browser plus apps running together, 4K streaming while working smoothly, light video editing and content creation, business-level productivity tasks, up to 4 display support for workstation setups. This makes it a strong choice for productivity-focused users. What it cannot do: not designed for high-end gaming, not suitable for 3D rendering workloads, limited for AAA creative production. Who should buy it? Business professionals, office power users, light content creators, developers, and multitaskers. Performance, build quality, value. Overall, 4.3 over 5. A clean, professional mini workstation that fits anywhere but performs like a full desktop. Number 2. GMKtec CM6 Ultra. Now we're entering serious performance territory. The GMKtec CM6 Ultra is powered by Ryzen 77640HS, and this is where mini PCs start becoming full desktop replacements. What it can do: smooth esports gaming performance, 1080p gaming and light AAA gaming, video editing and rendering tasks, heavy multitasking and coding workloads, triple display workstation setup, USB 4 high-speed workflow support, content creation and streaming setups. This is a true all-round performance machine. What it cannot do: ultra high-end 4K gaming at max settings, can heat up under long, heavy loads. Who should buy it? Gamers, content creators, developers, power users. Performance, 5 stars. Gaming, 4.5 stars. Value, 4.5 stars. Overall, 4.5 out of 5. This is basically a gaming PC, just without the big tower. Number 1. KAMRUI Essence E1, Best Value King. And finally, the number 1 pick, and this one is the biggest surprise. The KAMRUI Essence E1 doesn't look powerful on paper, but in real usage, it delivers one of the most balanced experiences in this entire list. What it can do: smooth everyday computing, office work and productivity tasks, 4K video streaming, dual monitor setups, stable long-term operation, low power and silent performance. Everything just works smoothly without complications. What it cannot do: not for gaming, not for heavy editing or rendering, not for professional creative workloads. Who should buy it? Home users, students, budget office setups, basic productivity users. Performance, 3/5. Reliability, 5 stars, 5 out of 5. Value, 5 stars, 5 out of 5. Overall, 4.2 stars out of 5. It's not the fastest, but it's one of the most reliable and value-packed options here.